Hi, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb. I'm going to show you how to stop those pesky bugs from eating your pepper plants. And these are the things that you're going to need. You're going to need a little pump-up sprayer, a small one like this. You're going to need some pesticide like Dipel or Thuricide, and you'll need a good water supply. We all know that chewing insects are one of the most difficult problems in raising pepper plants. One of the things you need to do, of course, when you mix up your solution is to use it according to label directions. Now, I usually use Dipel or Thuricide, which is an organic-based pesticide. The Bacillus thuringiensis is totally safe for people. And the next stage, we're going to fill this up with water up to the label directions. And make sure when you do fill it up with your Thuricide or Dipel, Bacillus thuringiensis, that you, of course, take it, add your water to it, really pump it up to make sure you've got good pressure. If you're using the Dipel or Thuricide, know that you can eat the vegetable within about a day period or the same day. All right, the next step, once we've mixed up our pesticide, our Dipel or Thuricide, which is actually the same thing, we're going to build up pressure, and we're actually going to spray the plant to the point of runoff. If you can see, we're going to get good coverage, both on the top of the plant and also underneath the plant, because the little beasties sometimes will get where you least expect them. In conclusion, with your pepper plants, make sure that you watch them on a regular basis, you use your chemicals according to directions, and that's the best way to keep your pepper plants free of problems. I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb.